Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about why I believe Ethereum is going to hit $20,000 and above. Okay, I'm really excited about how things are going in the market at the moment. As you can see, Bitcoin is over 61,000. Ethereum is nearly $4,000. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. So Bitcoin hits over 61,000, Ethereum just under 4,000, and I believe that Ethereum is going to hit 20,000 plus following Bitcoin's rise. Okay, so as Bitcoin rises, Ethereum is going to hit a high that we've never seen before. That's just what I believe. So let's say Bitcoin goes from 61,000 here all the way to 120,000. I believe that Ethereum is going to double to nearly 8,000. Yeah. And as Bitcoin goes up to 200,000, you're going to have Ethereum go up to 16,000. So what I'm thinking here is that whatever Bitcoin goes up to, we're going to see Ethereum do a similar amount or more. If this goes up by 2x, we might see this go up by 3 or 4x. If this goes up by 5x, we might see this go up by 7 or 8x. So to me, Ethereum hitting 20,000 is realistic in my opinion. I'm not giving you financial advice, but I do believe that Ethereum can hit $20,000. And that is literally nearly a 7x from here. Okay, just under 7x. Okay, so a 6x from here. So if you had $100 in Ethereum today, I reckon you could make $600, a 6x from here. Okay, which to me is a win-win situation for people getting into Ethereum. Okay, Bitcoin can go up. We don't even know how much it can go up because mass adoption is happening at the moment. Many people are getting involved in the space. So Ethereum being $3,892, how am I going to skyrocket my Ethereum in order to take advantage of that, of which I think it's going to be at $20,000 at Ethereum? What I am doing is I'm staking my coins. So I'm staking my Ethereum with Lido Finance or Ethereum 2.0. I'm staking about 6 Ethereum, and as this grows, I'm going to be also adding more Ethereum to it. So I've got about $23,694. If Ethereum goes up 6x from here, 6x from here, yeah, this amount, let's see how much I'm gonna have. So if I go to a new tab here, times 6, if it goes up, what I have in my staking will go up to about $142,165. So this is what I'm staking in my Lido Finance. I'm getting about average 4.8% APR. Okay, if we 6x, I'm going to have about $142,165 staked. And you can see that here at the moment is 5% I'm making. So let me go to the actual Lido calculator we have. I'm just going to see if I can get this to 142,000 so we can see how much I'll be making monthly with that. So forget about this. I'm just trying to get this to 142,000 here. If I can get that there, you can see how much that will be. It's not that. So it's about 36.5. Let's see. So if we get to 142,000, just around that, I'm going to be making just under $600 a month staking my cryptocurrency. Okay, just under $600 a month staking my cryptocurrency, making 5% APR with Lido. Okay, so to me, it's a win-win situation just having my Ethereum here staked. Okay, because I believe, like I said, I believe that Ethereum is going to go up to 20,000 or more. Just my opinion. I think it can go more because if Bitcoin goes up to 200,000, 400, 500,000, Ethereum's going to follow. It's going to follow, and all the other coins are going to follow, but Ethereum is going to follow. You know, there's no way, in my opinion, that Bitcoin goes to 500,000 and Ethereum stays at 10,000. It's not going to happen. It's just my opinion. Ethereum's going to follow, and it's going to go faster than Bitcoin. So I will not be surprised if Bitcoin hits 500,000, that Ethereum hits over 100,000, or maybe just under 100,000, something like that. You know, so holding Ethereum to me is a win-win situation. If you're somebody new to the game and you haven't quite yet got into Bitcoin, you may want to think about getting into Ethereum. Okay, you may just want to think about that. Okay, there's a lot of things going on now in the Bitcoin world which is going to bring up the price of Ethereum. There's a reason why I'm talking about this, because Bitcoin is going to bring up Ethereum. As Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum follows. It follows. And as that follows, the amount that I'm making in my staking here with 6.1 is going to grow up. You know, at the moment here, I'm making around with $3 a day here. Okay, around that. And as my worth of Ethereum goes up, this amount I'm making is going to go up. I'm making this passively through staking through Lido. I've got other videos explaining why I am staking through Lido. I do believe it's a great platform. And if you want to stake with Ethereum 2.0 without having 32 Ethereum to do it, that is the best place to do it rather than go to exchanges. This allows you to stake amongst a variety of validators, so you know it's a bit more decentralized than a normal exchange. So that's why I love Lido. So if we look at the news that's happening with Bitcoin, you'll be able to see that because of Bitcoin and all the news that's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum right now, you got to watch. Do not sleep on Ethereum. Do not sleep on it, because if you sleep on it, you are going to really, really, really hate yourself. So if I click on news here for Bitcoin, you can see here on Monday there's going to be a Bitcoin futures ETF. Okay, so if you don't know what an ETF is, just type in Bitcoin ETF meaning. Okay, but it's a Bitcoin futures ETF, but you want to know what it means. Okay, because I know people don't really know what that is, so just type in Bitcoin futures ETF and it will explain. I'll click on this. Let me just click on the CNBC here to explain what it is. So here, go there, scroll down. If you're interested in let's read this. If you're interested in investing, financial experts recommend understanding the potential risks surrounding a futures-based Bitcoin ETF. Okay. All right. So first, it's important to understand that investing in a futures-based Bitcoin ETF is not a direct investment in Bitcoin. A futures-based ETF tracks futures contracts rather than the price of an asset. Okay. As a result, a futures-based Bitcoin ETF would track Bitcoin futures contracts, not the price of Bitcoin itself. Therefore, the price of the ETF will not match the price of Bitcoin. Okay. An actual ETF, a spot ETF, hasn't been approved, and that is, I believe, what is going to bring up the price exponentially. But this is a good move forward with a futures based Bitcoin ETF. Okay, an actual spot based ETF is going to be based on the actual asset. So if we talk about here a Bitcoin ETF, and the reason why I'm talking about this right now is because this news is going to also trickle down to Ethereum, and Ethereum is going to go up in price as per what usually happens. So it's very, very good to understand what is going on here. So if I click on here, it says what is a Bitcoin ETF. This is a tabloid, but it will explain it. So Bitcoin are expected to be approved. Okay, so here we read what a Bitcoin ETF is here. What is a Bitcoin ETF? An ETF is an investment fund which tracks the price of an asset. Okay, a Bitcoin futures ETF doesn't track the price. It tracks the price of an asset, but it's a bit different. Okay, this one here, in the case of Bitcoin, on an open market exchange, blah, blah, blah. Investors don't need to buy the crypto or faff about buying a wallet. They just need to find an ETF fund that invests in it. Okay? I don't know why they're putting EFT. They got it wrong. It's an ETF. So Monday's going to be an exciting day. If you want to learn more about what this is, I'm sure you can go on YouTube, you can type in Bitcoin ETF, meaning what is Bitcoin ETF? I don't want to be going into that too much, but all I want you to understand is that all of this news with regards to Bitcoin that you can see here, all this news that is, this current news on Bitcoin is all bullish news that is going to push the price of Bitcoin higher. If I click on it here, you can see that the price of Bitcoin has gone up here. You see this in the last few days. So if I just put here, what I want to do is go to the last 7 days. You see in the last 7 days, it's gone up. You see here, it was around under 52,000 here, and here it was under, here it was about here 54, and it's gone up exponentially to here over 61,000 here. So it's been going up steadily the last week here. If I go the last month, you can see this for the last month. If I go to the last month, you can see here how much it's gone up. Okay, so the price of Bitcoin, as it's going up, you want to understand that the price of Ethereum is going to go up. And if you believe that Ethereum can go up 6x, 10x from here, it's a win-win just to get some Ethereum and stake it, regularly in a place like Lido, and just hold your Ethereum. Just stake it and leave it and let it grow. That's it. That's all you got to do. Stake it, leave it, let it grow, and that's what I'm doing with Ethereum. Okay. You can also use somewhere like Celsius if you wanted to put your Ethereum to work there as well. See how much you'll make here if you put it on Ethereum here. So why is it doing that? So let's scroll down, try this again. Let me just refresh the page. This one responsive. I'm gonna go back there. Let's go back, and then I'm just going to show you the percentage of Ethereum that you can make here as well. So say if we've got 30 grand in there for the next 5 years, let's put it 1 year, you're going to make 5.35%. So you make a little bit more from Celsius here, and this is on the first 100 ETH, you make 5.35, and 5.05 here you will make on the after the first 100 ETH. So that's not bad actually. The reason why I stake with Lido is because it is it's on Ethereum 2.0. I'm supporting the network, and I can I'm earning every day here with Lido. With Celsius, you're getting paid every week, every Monday, and you're going to get your APY here 5.35. You can compound your staking rewards on Lido much quicker because you're getting paid every day. On Celsius, you compound every week. It's just another option. You can also on Celsius use other coins as well, not just Ethereum. So not bad at all. So yeah, what you should do is check out the links in the description of this video. Check out the link to Lido, my 7-figure Rolodex, where you'll be able to see all the other stuff that I'm doing, as well as Celsius and other platforms I'm using to make yield off of my crypto. But for the sake of Bitcoin and Ethereum, make sure that you are aware that Bitcoin has a lot of upside. There's a lot of good news going on with regards to Bitcoin, and Ethereum, in my opinion, can go up to 20,000 plus, and which is around a 6x from here. And if it does that, you're going to be laughing if you are earning staking rewards doing so. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.